These two rugged phones are perfect for nocturnal adventurers. So if you're someone that loves to go camping, night hiking, or stargazing, then these two rugged phones are actually quite perfect for you because they are both equipped with a really bright LED flash, also known as a camping light. So in this video, I'll be comparing the specs of these two rugged phones, which are the Fossibot F102 and the Fossibot F106 Pro. So I'll be comparing the specs of both rugged devices to see which of the two rugged devices is equipped with the best specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both rugged phones. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.